Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of statistics. So before going to learn anything, let's see what is statistics. So statistics is nothing but a field that deals with collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and the presentation of data. This is a very simple definition of a statistics, which it is a field that deals with the collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data. Or we can define a statistics as it is a scientific method of collection of theories. What scientific method of collection of theories and techniques of summarizing numerical information to make some sense out of it. This is called definition of a statistics. So what is here numerical information? So numerical information, or we can say it as data, or we can see it as a data. These are nothing but the numbers with a context of statistics. Numbers with a context of a statistic. In brief, this is nothing but the science of data and the art of examining it. Okay, so let's define what is data. So data is nothing but it is known, or we can say assumed facts and figures. Let's say it is known, assumed facts and figures. Uh, After knowing these assumed facts and figures, we can conclude, right? Or we can, some conclusions can be drawn. This is called data. So main thing is, main question is why we are learning statistics. Okay, so why, like before that, why we are learning statistic? Question is, why do we collect data? Why do we collect the data? Second question, why do we present the data? Okay, suppose there are, as you had seen, there are data which are presented in graphs, right? Some data which are this type. Okay, so the questions arises, why are we presenting the data? Why are we presenting the data in the form of graph? This is the question. Actually, to answer all these questions, it's very simple. That is of decision making. Why we are doing? We are doing for the decision. Okay, let's say sometimes you have a company or you are working for a company, and that company wants to know the behavior of a customer. Behavior of a customer. So all these things will come from the data. Some more examples. Let's take you have a let's talk about e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce is nothing but your online shopping. You can take any example, like you have Flipkart, Amazon. Okay, these two giants. How they target the audience? How they target the audience? Let's say they collected the data and they have a features name called age. They have collected the data and they have features. Features what? Age. Let's say they are collecting some features like they have a age like 30, 35, 24, 27, 14, 28, 15, 31. Like say they have a data. These two companies, Flipkart and Amazon, wants a promotional offer. Promotional offer. They wants to show some age group. Say what they will do? They will calculate some of the important things from here. They will calculate the mean of the age. They can calculate the median of the age. They can calculate distribution like normal distribution, Laplace. There are various distribution we will discuss further. Okay, they can calculate from these data. From these data, they can transform this data into charts, graphs. Okay, what are the examples? Like they can convert into histogram. Okay, histogram they can convert, PDF like this type. Okay, they can convert PDF, CDF. We will look about this PDF and CDF in the further video. Okay, they can convert bar graph. They can convert pie chart. Okay, why are they doing this? Simple, that is decision making. That is decision makings. They are actually doing these all things. They are doing for understanding the data. These all fundamental things they are doing for understanding the data. Why they are understanding the data? To have nothing but decision making. Okay, see, again the question is why this decision is required. It's very simple answer, to just grow your business. To grow your business. Okay, let's say suppose we can understand with the help of an example. Let's we have an SBI ATM at location. Okay, somewhere location A, and they like lots of people here, lots of people are doing transactions. They want to know, can it will be beneficial for the customer or for them to open a ATM or to set up a ATM at location B, and the location B is something called, let's say, 15-kilometer distance. Sorry, let's take, it's too much distance. Let's take 5 kilometers. Let's say they have a 5 kilometer. So what will happen? They will take data from A. They will understand the data, like traffic. The same traffic will be or much similar or much more, like in that type there at location B traffic is there or not. They will do mean transaction of, they will calculate mean transaction of month at location at A. Okay, then they will decide, like they will make decision, it will be beneficial to open at location number B or not. This type of decision is called nothing but a statistical decision. This type of decision is called a statistical decision. Okay, so let's talk about application. What are its application of a statistics? So applications will be like machine learning, data science. Okay, uh, there is a preferable role called data analyst. They use a lot of a statistic. Business as analyst, they use a lots of a statistic. Okay, so everywhere, every domain, they are using the nothing but your statistic. So we will see further more details in the next video. Thank you.